Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I'm going to share with you what happens when you change your name in your Google account and why it may not show up with that name in other people's inboxes. But before I share this with you, hit that subscribe button. A lot more videos coming on how to use Google Workspace and Gmail, and I create them just for you. So you can see that my account name is I renamed it to testing account, and the email address is burrisconsulting@gmail. And I can show you right here that under personal info, under myaccount.google.com, simply myaccount.google.com. You don't need all the other stuff. If you're under personal info, you can see that my name is testing account. Now I renamed it. It was Lee Burris. Now it's testing account. So when you look at that, you would expect that that's the name that shows up when other people get emails from me. And for the most part, that is what they get. But there is a variation to it. And let me show you what that variation is. Go over here to my business email. On my business email, you'll see right here that I've gotten an email. Before I changed the name to the account, I got an email from Lee Burris. And it asked, what is my name? And it showed up as Lee Burris. But then I renamed the account and sent another email, and it showed up as testing account. But you can still see it says Lee Burris. And here's why it still shows Lee Burris. You may have sent it to me telling me that your name is testing account. But if I hover over the email address, it's going to come up and show, whenever it comes up, it's going to come up and show Lee Burris. And here's why. In my contacts, my Google Workspace contacts, which is connected to my Google Workspace email, I put this email address in here and I called it Lee Burris. So every time I get an email from this email address, again, you may tell me that your name is testing account, but in my system, it's Lee Burris. So again, you can change your name under myaccount.google.com, and it should go with the email address, except where someone who's saved this email address, burrisconsulting@gmail.com, in their contacts and given you a different name. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, and I hope this helps you.